How to download Facebook videos or Facebook Reels videos on Gallery. Hello guys, welcome back to Random Tech YouTube channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can download Facebook Reels video or Facebook video on your gallery. So without wasting much more time, let's get started. So guys, let me just get inside my official Instagram account. So this is my official Instagram account here, and let us just scroll down, and here you can see I have this reel here, reels and shorts video. So let us just try to download this. Let me just go here. Just you have to click on this arrow icon here, you can see, just click on this share icon, and then after this type of interface will be pop up. So you have to just click on this. So you just need to copy this link here, you can see, copy this link. Simply you need to tap and copy. So after copy the link, what you need to do here, you have to go to Chrome browser or any other browser here. Okay, after going to Chrome browser, let me just show you what you have to do here. You have to just search for like FB video download. Okay, just you have to write like this, and here you can see the first one, Facebook video downloader. Simply tap on it, you don't need to do anything. Here you can see enter video link here, so you have to just enter, you have to just paste the link here and click on this download option on the right side. Simply tap on this and then hold on for some time. Here you can see it's on an processing, you can see on the top, and here you can see this is the video. So here you can see you can download for HD quality or normal quality, so it's up to you. Just click on download option and you can just skip the ads. Here you can see I have successfully downloaded. Please click on details. Here it's downloading. As you can see here, it depends upon the network, what kind of network you are using. It's a very simple and easy method that you can download your Facebook videos directly in your gallery. So let us just hold on. So guys, here you can see it's done. So if you click on this, we can play the video. You can see this is the one. So I hope this video is absolutely helpful for you. Thanks for watching guys, see you soon on the next video.